Hello, I am Adam. And I am creator of ADM Animation. And this is a video of how a quadcopter drone can fly. The term drone is a catch-all term that refers to any kind of unmanned vehicle that doesn't have a pilot or a driver. A drone can be any vehicle that moves on air, water, and land. Meanwhile, the term quadcopter is a more defined and clear word that refers to a drone that can fly using 4 rotors. A quadcopter consists of the following essential parts: frame, motors, propeller. How do drone take off? The first thing we should know: the direction of rotation of the propeller on the drone. Number 1 propeller. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 1 propeller will rotate to the right. Number 2 propeller will rotate to left. Number 3 propeller will rotate to left. Propeller number 3 will rotate to the left, just like propeller number 2. And finally the number 4 propeller will rotate to the right. When the drone takes off, the drone will take off when all the propellers rotate at the same RPM. Then how do drones move forward? When the drone moves forward, propellers number 1 and 3 will rotate at a lower RPM. And propellers number 2 and 4 will rotate at a faster RPM. This will make the back of the drone will lift and make the drone move forward. And now how does the drone move sideways or crab? To produce sideways motion left or right, the 2 front and rear propellers will be slowed down the RPM. And 2 more propellers will be accelerated, which results in the side of the drone being lifted higher. This will make the drone move sideways. And lastly, how to make the drone fly around? To make this happen, the number 1 and number 4 propellers will be made to spin faster, and the other 2 propellers will be slowed down their RPM. This will make the drone spin to the left. To make the drone rotate in the opposite direction, the propellers number 3 and 2 will spin faster, and the other parts will be slowed down. This will make the drone rotate to the right. Maybe this is all I can say. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in another animated video.